Let us do Z parameters in terms of ABCD parameters or transmission parameters or T parameters. So we are going to express Z parameters in terms of ABCD parameters. So first write Z parameters equation as equation number 1 and 2, where voltages V1 and V2 are expressed in terms of currents I1 and I2. So write V1 first, V2 first, V2 next. Here first I1, next I2. Parameters are Z11, Z12, Z21 and Z22. That is equation number 1 and 2. And transmission parameters or ABCD parameters are given by, okay, I told no, you have to remember the table, okay, where we have equations of these, okay. ABCD parameters or transmission parameters are V1 and V2 are expressed in terms of V2 and minus I2. So parameters are A, B, C, D. Okay, V1 and I1 are expressed in terms of V2 and minus I2. So first you have to write V1 here, voltage first, current, and here again in the output side, voltage first, then current. And I2 you have to take minus for transmission parameters. So now you have to write these two equations. V1 and I1 are expressed in terms of V2 and I2. That is equation number 3 and 4. First write voltage, then current. Here also voltage and current. So make I1 here and V1 here, again you are going to get, because if you write I1 here and you are going to write A means wrong. Okay, for V1 first A will come, then B I2, for I1 C V2 minus D I2. So equation number 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let us compare four equations. First and 3 I am going to compare. I have V1 here, so V1 is there. I1 is not there. I2, so this is mismatching. I1 is there, here V2. So 1 and 3, leave it. Now we try 2 and 4. Left side we have V2. So here V2 is there. I1, I1 is there. I2, it is there. So I already told several times, only for Z to Y and Y to Z you have to use Cramer's rule. For all other interrelations, write four equations. Okay. Out of four, two in two equations, all the three variables are going to match. In this one, 2 and 3, all the three variables V2, I1, I2 is also present in V2, I1, I2. So I can rewrite equation number 4. I can rewrite equation number 4. Left side I want V2. So CV2 you written here only. Then minus DI2, now you bring this one to left side here. So it becomes I1 plus I1 plus DI2. After that, I want only V term, so divide throughout by C. Divide throughout by C. So it becomes 1 by C I1, D by C I2. Now I can compare equation number 5 with the 2. Now compare equation. Coefficient of I1 is Z21. So Z21 value is 1 by C, and coefficient of I2 is Z22. Z2 is D by C. So easily you can find out Z parameters in terms of ABCD or T transmission parameters. So easily you'll get at least half of the marks. So actually 1 and 3, this is mismatching. I and V2 is there. So here V2 is there. V2 value is there. This V2 value, from equation number 5, substitute the value of V2 in equation number 2. So that you'll write here equation number 3. Equation number 3, we are going to substitute the value of V2. So if you substitute the value of V2 here, after that we have I1, I2, I2 only. So all are currents only. Now separate I2 terms, I1. So here A into 1 is A by C into I1, and these two belongs to I2. I2 you take common. So this is, if you multiply this A, don't forget this you have to multiply A into D by C. minus b into I2. Again here you have to take C you have to take as LCM, 1 b by 1. So C into 1 is C. So AD into 1 minus B into C. Okay, AD minus BC. So actually in the ABCD parameter, the uh, delta T or delta is given by AD minus BC. Okay, original T matrix delta is AD minus BC. Okay, you have to write AD minus BC. There is here actually delta is not given, so write AD minus BC only. So we got all the four. Now compare equation number 6 with 1. So here coefficient of I1 is Z11. Coefficient of I1 is Z11. So Z11 is A by C, and coefficients of I2 is Z12, AD minus BC, where AD minus BC is uh, delta actually T. It is determinant of original T matrix. Okay, so we calculated all. Thank you.